Hi, and welcome once again to a very fresh episode of Career Growth. I'm sure you must be waiting for something new today as well. The topic that we are going to discuss on is something which you'll really relate to. I'm sure you all must have experienced sometime butterflies are dancing in your stomach, cold hands, sweating, and it's like at times you feel so breathless, tensed. When is that situation? Yes, it's during exams. We all know exam is going to be part and parcel of your life, but still we end up getting stressed. We end up getting tensed about our exams. But as a student, you need to understand that's the stepping stone for you to move ahead in your career. So it's better you take it very carefully so that your performance is better and you have a bright future. So it's very essential that you take exams stress-free. But is that really possible? As a student, the maximum students may say no. Why does that happen? Because there are many reasons to it. Most of the times we don't like studying regularly. So that becomes the major area of concern. We end up studying at the last moment. We do last minute preparation and that creates stress in us. Rather than taking exams under stress, it's very essential that we take exams pleasantly. But is that really possible? Yes, it is. When we talk about tips, before we go ahead with the tips, we'll just identify the general symptoms. When we talk about exam pressure or exam fear or exam anxiety, we identify certain physiological symptoms and psychological symptoms. When we talk about physiological symptoms, it can be like heartbeats running faster. We are like feeling more and at times we are feeling too hungry or too sleepy, or either ways we feel like just like you don't feel like eating something, or we don't feel like sleeping for a longer duration. At times we just keep on walking without any thought, we are just doing things. When we talk about psychological, it's more of having negative thoughts due to pressure. We are not able to concentrate on a task for a longer duration. So these are certain areas that may affect our performance. So how do we tackle it? So let's understand the tips to handle the exams effectively, because the ultimate aim is to secure very good marks and have a bright future. So the first important thing as a student, what you need to do is start studying with a positive frame of mind. Our basic issue is whenever someone is asking us to study, we just don't do it seriously. We are doing it for the heck of it. Don't take it as an imposed decision. It is very crucial that your attitude, your approach towards studies needs to be very positive. That will help you to concentrate, that will help you to understand the concepts easily, which is very essential in your early days of studies. When you're studying in your earlier days, it's very essential that you understand the concept, try to know the meaning of it and remember. So once that understanding is done correctly, end moment stress will be less. And when you're studying at the first time, ensure that you highlight the main points, because that can become your last minute revision tips, which will become handy. So whenever you're in the examination hall or few days before your exams, even if you go through those last minute revision cards, it will become really easy for you to revise the content that you have studied. Most important, to reduce your stress, it's very essential that you plan your day correctly. Ensure that you organize your study, you plan your timetable in such a way that you study the difficult subject first when you're fresh, so that you will be in a position to remember it for a longer duration. Also ensure that you review your past performance so that you have a better clarity which subject needs more preparation and you can revise it thoroughly few days before your exams. This will definitely reduce your pressure during the exam time. Ensure that you make use of relaxation techniques so that will help you to relax calm during your stressful situations and especially during exams. Also, more important is to take care of your health. And when I say health, which means good food, healthy habits of food and good sleep too, because it's very essential that we complete this cycle correctly. Most of the times we have a habit of stretching ourselves too much during our exam time, but that should not be done. The way you regularly get up and eat and follow your daily activities in the similar way few days before the exams, ensure that you follow the same. Otherwise, during the exam time, high chances you may fall ill, you may fall sick, and you may not be in a position to give exams effectively. So it's very crucial that you take care of your health and sleep patterns correctly. Important fact to remember, during the day of exam, it's very essential that you be confident. Because though you have prepared the whole year, and during those crucial 3 hours, if you lack that faith or if you lack that confidence in you, fear may develop, negative thoughts may develop that may affect your thought process. So it is very crucial that be confident about whatever studies that you have done, and with that faith, give the exams and ensure that you just put in your 100% during the exam time. Exams are part and parcel of life, so be prepared, take it positively, and I'm sure if you follow the suggested tips, you would definitely fly with good colors. Hope you make most out of the episode. Keep watching, keep subscribing and liking Career Growth.